Elvington and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Do you think Chris Brown's mom wrote his name on the tag? So that's why we know it was Chris Brown's clothes.
Right.
Maybe. Yeah, so we're tracking, of course, the heat here in North Alabama. Thankfully, we're kind of on the backside of this heat wave. Still dangerously hot today and tomorrow with those feels like temperatures closer to 105, if not 110, and then starting to drop off heading into Sunday and Monday. A big drop by Monday afternoon. The actual highs for Monday, the air temperature, closer to the mid-80s, so some relief is on the way. And we're also still dealing with the smoke and the haze from the western wildfires. So we've got these are clouds, leftover clouds from storms in Kentucky and Tennessee from earlier this morning. But you'll notice the sun breaking through. It's just that milky, hazy sky. And again, that's traveling across the entire continent from out of Canada, of course, from out of California, Oregon, Washington, and even Montana. 77 degrees right now in Muscle Shoals. Visibility is at 2 miles, but that's a big improvement compared to a half a mile about an hour ago with some of that fog. And again, it's all that smoke that's dropping in from out of the north. Keep in mind, we have the jet stream that travels around the planet, and it's wavy, so the smoke's not making a straight line towards North Alabama. Sometimes it kind of rises the jet stream, then it comes back down over that high that's centered off to our west. So these are clouds from storms yesterday, but right around last night into the early evening hours, all that haze and milky skies, that's the smoke, and it's dropping right into North Alabama right here. And we're actually expecting worse conditions coming up in about 24 hours. Look at this big plume of smoke. Once you get into those oranges and reds on the map, that's on the higher end of the scale. So that could have some serious impacts with air quality. That's in place tomorrow morning. Then by tomorrow afternoon, starting to clear some, moving off to the east. And if you get any thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon, that may help to kind of wash out the sky a little bit. But we'll see better conditions by Sunday. On the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, again, these are leftover clouds. We kind of call them debris clouds, kind of the former thunderstorms, all those clouds kind of drifting in from out of Kentucky. And if you go back about 5-6 hours ago, we actually had some pretty strong storms, but those since have decayed. What's left of that former line of storms? It's actually like a boundary, a little mini cold front. That's going to slide south throughout the day today, and that could be the trigger for a few pop-up storms. Notice not a whole lot of storms showing up by 2 o'clock, but a few stray showers, maybe an isolated storm. Better chances for storms, though, off to the north, right around 5 o'clock. So just about everyone should stay dry for your Friday evening. If you have outdoor plans, I know it's tough to have outdoor plans, but if you're heading out to Toyota Field, a little bit cooler by first pitch at 6:35. It looks like we should be okay for the game tonight. And of course, we'll be watching the game tomorrow again with the chance for those pop-up showers and storms. By the late afternoon hours, coverage not terrible, but watch this. We'll go from 6 o'clock tomorrow evening into early Sunday morning. Big line of thunderstorms dropping in. Not expected to be strong or severe, but could have some gusty winds. Once that clears by sunrise on Sunday, just lingering showers behind the front. So it looks like it's not going to be a washout this weekend because most of the rain is going to come while you're sleeping in the middle of the night, early Sunday morning. Rainfall forecast could see up to about 1.5 inches of rain, though, through the next 5 days. And then we're back to the upper 80s, if not the mid 80s, all the way through next work week.